Hello everybody, Miss Jamie here. Today we're going to work on the number 2. We worked on it a little bit last week and we're going to work on it for one more week because doing lots of practice helps us remember the number 2 and start to identify the number 2. So today we're going to start out by holding up 2 fingers and then we're going to do some different motions. So you ready? The number 2 on our fingers looks like 1, 2. 2 fingers up. Good job. And next we're going to clap our hands 2 times. So you ready? Get those hands ready. We're going to go 1, 2. Awesome. Well, we could even do that. We could put up 2 thumbs, or both our thumbs. So 1 thumb, 2 thumbs. Good job. All of you really like when we pat the table. So we're going to look down here. My orange table today. You ready? We're going to go 1, 2. Good job. And how about we stomp our feet 2 times. You ready? 1, 2. Awesome work. So the number 2, when we see it on paper, looks like that. It starts up top, goes around, down, in, and across. You can see here we got 2 bumps to show us. So in math class, you guys like to pick from our math box. So this week when you're at home, moms and dads, you can put some stuff in a box. It doesn't have to be this full. It could just be like maybe 4 things in a box. Ours is just this extremely full since when all 7 of us are there, there's a lot to pick from when we move on up. So today Miss Jamie's going to pick, and I've got my sheet here. You want to make a sheet like this at home to help you place where they go. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick 2 items from our box. I'm going to pick 1 and I'm going to set it down here on the number 1. 1. And then I'm going to go ahead and pick another item from our box. And 2. And to practice using our pointer finger and counting, we'll take our pointer finger and we'll touch number 1, 1, and touch number 2, 2. 1, 2. I got 2 items out of the box. All right, good job. Next, we're going to practice writing some 2s. And this is where moms and dads have to help some of us because 2s are not easy to write. So I'm going to take some flour today. I'm going to draw on some flour. I'm going to just put it on my paper here. You can use, there's all sorts of ways you can dye erase so it's easier to see. You can find that online. You could also use sand or you could use Play-Doh, just practicing drawing, or you can just use paper and practice, take your kiddo's pointer finger and help them trace around the number 2. But today I thought I'd bring some flour out and we try that. So I'm going to move the computer down a little bit so you can see my flour here. Spread it out here. Take my pointer finger and I'm going to make a 2. And I'll try it again. 2. You can make all sorts of 2s. Good job. And then another thing you can do while you're at home is you can look around the house for things that are groups of 2. So we're going to go for a little walk. Don't mind my messy basement. But over here, oh, look, I found 2 girls. Say hi, girls.
Hi.
And over here, look. You see them? Oh, I found 2 fish. They're swimming away. I actually found lots of fish. So you can walk around the house and find lots of things that are in groups of 2. Practice finding things of 2. All right. Last but not least, you make a piece of paper that looks like this. And you could put 1 circle, 2, 5, however many you want. I just picked 3 for today. And you can look for things in groups of 2 and put them in here. So, for example, I found 2 crayons on my table, so I would lay them in here. 1, 2. Just like that. And then I had 2 rubber bands laying around down on the desk. 1, 2. And I had 2 Legos I found the girls had left around. 1, 2. So you could practice putting them in groups of 2. And then you could also practice, just like last week, continue practicing to help them identify groups. is lay different items on the table in front of them. 1, 2, 3 sponges and 1, 2 cupcakes, and have them identify which one has 2 in it. So the hopes is obviously they'd grab for the cupcakes. So hopefully that all makes sense and you have some new ways to do the number 2. If you need any more ideas, just let me know. Y'all know how to get a hold of me, and enjoy working on number 2. And if you want to, I would love to see some of the things you found this week in groups of 2. Even if you're outside, if you see 2 of something, but I'm not sure what the weather's going to be like. But I'd love to see you guys working, videos or pictures of you guys working on the number 2. So we'll see you later.